For this question, you need to draw out M1 and M2. They ask which point, in this case, which point such that the net G is 0. Because they say no resultant force. No resultant force means that no resultant G is the same. So at this point, let's say the G is 0. That means G1 by this M1 equals to G2 by M2. Okay, let's say from here to here the distance is D. Okay, that's what the question said, right? Now, so what about, let's say if I say this is X, so this must be D minus X, right? So very simple, G1 equals to G2. So G1 equals to G2. So G1 is Gm1 over X squared, right? Because G1 is due to M1. So must be G equal to Gm1 over this distance. This is X squared. G2 must be Gm2 due to the M2 divided by this distance square, right? So D minus X square. Okay, these two must balance, okay, as shown in this equation. Then now you need to perform some rigorous algebra, which I think you must learn from here. So this one you bring up, this one you bring over the other side. So all the square at the same position. So M2 divided by M1. So this square you need to bring over, you get to root it. You need to root it because your job is to get the X. That's why you need to cancel off all these square or root first, okay? Now this square you need to remove. Bring over the other side. This X bring above. Okay, this X bring above, you get this one. So you want to group the X together, right? So this X bring over the other side. Okay, then you get the D. But your job is to find X, right? So just invert. You can get the answer as D.